Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily install Shopify Horizon theme. So all you have to do is head over to themes.shopify.com. So from here, just click on the search button. Then just type Horizon. Then press enter. So from here, we can easily see the Horizon theme and it's also free. So all you have to do is just click on it. Then click on Try Theme. As you can see, Horizon is being added to our theme library. And once done, all you have to do is just click on Publish. Then Publish once again. And from there, you have now successfully installed and added Horizon for your Shopify online store. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!